Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Transport maximums for substances that are actively secreted. So the first one is we are looking at creatinine. So creatinine, the transport maximum is going to be 16 and the unit here will be mg and this is per minute. And next is we move on to the 80 mg per minute. So what is the substance here? The substance here is nothing but the para amino hippuric acid. So creatinine was 16 mg per minute and the para-amino hippuric acid was 80 mg per minute. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.